How to download Fortnite on Android. Welcome to another Fortnite tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install and play Fortnite on your Android phone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. All right, so it's really easy to install Fortnite on our Android phone. The first thing we need to do is simply open up a browser, and I'm going to be using the Chrome browser, and navigate to fortnite.com. Check the description. I have a direct link down there, so you can just open it up. Once you get to fortnite.com, simply select Play Now. And then when you play now, it's going to give you several different ways you can play. If you want to download and install Fortnite on your Android phone, simply select download, but you can also use different streaming platforms if you want to stream Fortnite rather than install it. So go ahead and select download on Android. Once you see file might be harmful, select download anyway. And this is safe because we are downloading it from the official Fortnite website. So select download anyway. Once the file downloads, select open. And when it says that for security purposes, Chrome isn't allowed to install unknown apps, we need to select settings and then just toggle on allow from this source. So Fortnite is not available in the Google Play Store. So doing this allows us to install Fortnite outside of the Google Play Store. So once you've done that, select install for Epic Games Store. Once it installs, go ahead and open up the Epic Games Store. You can allow notifications if you want to. Then once the Epic Games Store opens up, select Fortnite and install. It'll go ahead and download Fortnite to your Android phone. Then we need to allow the Epic Games Store to install apps from unknown sources. So select settings, then allow from this source, and then select install to allow Fortnite to install. So now it'll start installing Fortnite. Once Fortnite installs, select open. If it doesn't open, just go back to your home screen and select Fortnite. And then now Fortnite will open on our Android phone and it'll start downloading Fortnite. So just give it several minutes to download. Then once it's done, it'll start connecting and loading Fortnite. If you already have a Fortnite account, you can connect it by selecting yes, or you can create a new one. I'm going to select yes. And then it will log you into Fortnite. Then we can choose our texture resolution. If you have an older phone that you're using, I recommend selecting low. It might actually run a little faster, but you can also select high if you have more storage space available. I'm just going to do low for now. I can always change that later. Then we can go in and start playing a game. And then you'll be playing Fortnite on your Android phone. All right, so that's how you download Fortnite on Android. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Fortnite tips and tutorials, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up. And please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.